This is your host, Jack McCaig. This is the Bulletproof Trust. What is it? It's a business type. That's what it is. There are different types of businesses that one can operate, meaning you can have a bank account with it. You can buy and sell things. You can, uh, do anything, have a debit card, have credit, own things, buy things, sell things, right? Um, anything you can think of in business, really. It's a business, so um, different business have different attributes, right? Like a nonprofit, um, you have to have no profit within a 12-month period, or else you have to give it to another nonprofit or something. Okay. That's one. LLC is a type of business, right, with certain attributes, one of which it's a flow through entity, and so on. So then there's, for-profit corporation, right? If you make a profit, you got to pay taxes. Then there's, this type of trust. Bulletproof trust is legally common law, irrevocable ecclesiastical trust. Of course, it's just like the in God we trust, right? It's just a trust. A trust is a type of a business, and most trusts are made through a lawyer, and they're actually, got their license from the In God We Trust, so they can only make sub corporations of that trust, not really their own trust per se. But the existence of the In God We Trust proves you can make your own trust, and all my work, of course, and everyone else's work that now has a trust. You can have a trust yourself, just like they do. So it's a business. Some of the cool things about this business type is, since income is a financial term, that means you receive money that may be able to be taxed. The Bulletproof Trust never receives income. It may receive revenue, but it doesn't receive income. And so it never has any taxes, any income taxes due, because it doesn't receive any income. Okay, so then there's, that's good news, and because it receives no income again, there's no inheritance taxes due. You just choose successor trustees or what have you, and or successor trusts. Beneficiaries. Trust could be beneficiaries too, or trustees. I don't recommend that. It's kind of like higher level, but anyway, it's a business type, so you can have a bank account, etc. It's just a type of a business, legal type. Okay. Check out the videos on how easy it is to open a bank account and do everything. All right, that's all it is. Get your non-taxable trust today. Yeah, the Bulletproof Trust.